Hello guys, so what I'm gonna show you today is how you can equip pendants inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? Now pendants are actually only cosmetic items. They're not gonna do anything, but they look cool once you equip them, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is you wanna go to your base camp to any of them and you wanna go to your tent. And here you wanna press F to go into it. And now you basically wanna go to this you know, appearance menu, which is the very last one. And here you want to go to your equipment appearance in here, all right, which is the second menu. And as you can see, if you have advanced enough into the game, you should see this menu which says pendant. And you have to actually, click on any of these pendants to select it. You have two different types of pendants. You have your primary pendant and your secondary pendant, okay? Your primary pendant is going to be, right on your back. As you can see here, if I change the color, it's going to change as well. And your secondary pendant is only going to be visible depending on the armor that you're wearing, okay? Because some of them are not going to let you see it, okay? As you can see here, nothing happens, okay? So just make sure that you have the appropriate armor for this. All right, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.